Hello everyone, I am back and today we're going to be making Philly cheesesteaks as well as Philly chicken sandwiches. We're going to start out sauteing onions, mushroom, and bell pepper. I pre-prepared the chicken, so what I did, I baked the chicken first, I set it aside to cool, and then you can either shred it, which that's what I prefer, or you can chop the chicken. And so you're just going to add your prepared chicken with your vegetable, that's all you're doing, and cook it and set it aside. Let's switch gears here. Now we're going to start working with the steak. So now you're going to add your shredded steak, and you can get your shredded steak anywhere, or you can have a butcher to slice some steaks for you very thinly. Again, you're going to add some provolone cheese on top of your meat. For me, I love to toast my hoagie bun, and you can dress the sandwich however you like. Be creative. And you guys have just made a Philly cheesesteak and or chicken sandwich. Thank you guys for watching.